Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great today. Welcome to my channel Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. I want to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate you all for joining me in this channel today. So today we will see your person's current thoughts and feelings about you in this connection. So let's quickly start with all the zodiac signs. I can see you or your person can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. I can see water sign also, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. And some of my viewers can be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So friends, don't worry much about signs, okay? This is a general collective reading, so only take those messages which resonates with you all and leave behind the rest. Okay? So let's quickly jump into our reading now. With this King of Cups in reverse, I can see your person is in the emotionally unavailable state. When they think of this connection with you, they feel that there is a lot of competition around you in this connection. They are going through some inner conflict, okay, and they feel that they are having difficulties in keeping their own emotions up to themselves and not showing to you or the people around them. It is possible that they think if they open up with you or show you their emotions, there can be conflict between both of you or people around them or you. With the Seven of Cups as the bottom deck energy card, they fantasize about you a lot. They continuously think about you. They crave you in their dreams. They daydream about you. And with this Devil card, I can see that your person is physically attracted towards you in this connection. They are sexually drawn to you, okay? They sometimes feel that they are emotionally and physically addicted to you. They see you in this Queen of Swords energy. They feel that you are very cold towards them and they feel that you don't want to beat around the bush anymore. You want an honest and open conversation with them, okay? They have this ray of hope of coming out of this unfortunate situation with you, with this Nine of Wands and Wheel of Fortune in reverse, okay? But they also feel that they have to ready they have to keep themselves ready for any failures. At the same time, they have this kind of insecurity of having that ray of last hope. They feel that their optimism can break their heart and they really feel that they can't be vulnerable with you right now because they see that their life can be destroyed if they indulge their emotions in this connection anymore. But in the process of suppressing their emotions, they feel victimized by the situation around them and they are feeling very lonely, and they are going into the state of misery and depression. They have this fear of new beginnings with the Ace of Pentacles in reverse, okay? But they are gaining some sort of clarity in this situation. They acknowledge that you and your partner have to work through the insecurities in this relationship. with each other, and in order for the new beginning, both of you have to adjust with each other in this relationship. Spirits are really indicating someone has to remove those false masks which they are wearing in this connection, and go through healing process from this painful ending or heartbreak in this situation. Then only you and your person can reconcile with each other and can lead to emotionally fulfilled happy life with each other with this Queen of Cups. You can see that we got all the swords cards in reverse, this 7 of swords, 10 of swords, 3 of swords. So your person is healing from this connection. Okay, they are acknowledging that they have to um, they have to come out of this um 10 of swords energy. They have to come out of their um, comfort zone. Okay, and then only you both can reconcile with each other. They have deep feelings for you with this 6 of cups. They want to return back to you. Okay, this is a soulmate card for me, so maybe they are your soulmate. Okay, and with this 8 of swords, they are feeling victimized by the situation. They are feeling that they have this situation has happened to them and not for them. Okay, and they also acknowledge that they have to um, move out from this energy in order to heal themselves. Okay, they have to open those blindfolds off. Okay, and release that fear of anxiety, insecurities in this connection. Then only they can have this new beginning with you. Okay, Ace of Swords represents inspired thought that leads to action. So maybe they are thinking to take action towards you in this relationship now. Okay, they though they have this fear of new beginnings with you, but they want to take that risk with you. Okay, and they also know that in order to um, start fresh with you, they have to break through uh, break through those insecurities in this relationship. Okay, they have to have an honest and open conversation with you. Okay, so they want to offer you this queen of this cup of love. So only, as you can see that in the Queen of Cups card, there is a lid on the cup. So we only got this card with a cup, with a lid on the cup. Okay, so they have these deep seated feelings for you. They have lots of love for you, but they have kept up to themselves only. They are not opening their heart to you because of these fears of insecurities, and fear of losing you, or fear of just getting vulnerable with you, because they think that you can reject them, or they have some fear of abandonment. Maybe their past relationships were not were not good, so they have this fear of rejection and abandonment. Okay, so let's see these colored energy cards, what your person want in this connection. So they want victory with you in this relationship. Okay, they appreciate this caring connection between both of you, what you share with them. They really appreciate that, appreciate those past memories with you in this connection. Okay, they want to take action to take this relationship to the next level of commitment. With this marriage card, this relationship is destined for lasting joy. With this distance card, they want to bridge that gap between both of you. Okay, they want to travel towards you. Maybe you are physically separated from each other, so they want to travel towards you and bridge this distance with you. Maybe you both are living together, but you are emotionally distant with each other. Okay, so they want harmony in this connection. They want to have a happy family life with you. And we got this King of Cups and Queen of Cups, so this also represents that this can be a soulmate connection. Okay, you both have lots of feelings for each other. Okay, they they see you, they as of now they see you as in Queen of Swords energy, but they know that you are this Queen of Cups. Okay, so they you know they also acknowledge that you their feelings for you, and the feelings for the feelings of love in this connection is mutual. Okay, they they see you as their soulmate. Okay, maybe they will come up with some sort of proposal. Okay, with this Six of Cups, you can see how this person is offering a bouquet of bouquet to this lady. So maybe your person can come up with some sort of proposal, or some sort of, they may surprise you with some sort of gifts. So the overall energy of your person, I can see that they are uh, going through some healing. Okay, in this connection, and they acknowledge that in order to take forward this relationship with you, you and your person have to have this open and honest conversation with each other, and you both need to compromise on something. Okay, this relationship needs adjustment from both sides. Okay, so let's see the messages from your person one by one. You came closer than anyone. I can't give up on my responsibilities right now. My family and upbringing are a bigger factor than I realized. So maybe their family is not accepting this relationship with you, and maybe they have responsibilities towards their family in this connection. So um, they are not financially stable to balance their responsibilities with you in this relationship. Okay, I'm still trying to find myself. I love you unconditionally. So, with this Six of Cups and Queen of Cups, it represents that they have this deep seated feelings of love and affection for you, and they are sexually drawn to you as well. This with this Devil card, or this also represents sometimes codependent relationship. So your person have to break free through this codependent relationship with you. Okay, maybe they feel addicted to you. Okay, and they have to they see you um, someone so they maybe they keep you in some sort of pedestal. Okay, they see you that someone who is more established in their lives, more doing well in their lives more than them. Okay, they don't see a match um, with you. Okay, so they have this low self esteem issues. I never thought I could feel so vulnerable. I miss what we had in past. I often reminded about those times. So with this 7 of cups, they fantasize about you a lot. Okay, I don't want you to sacrifice what's important to you. You are so beautiful and amazing that you make my knees weak. You are my life. So they get overwhelmed by the intensity of the feelings for you. Okay, so that is why they don't want to bring their emotions on the surface. Okay, I want you. So they have this strong desire for you. Okay, they want you in their life. Okay, so before that they have to go through a healing process. Okay, and break free themselves through this feelings of insecurities in this relationship. Okay, so let's see a love note from your person. I'm having sleepless nights. I can't keep doing this. I'm tired. This is painful. Somehow I'm going to make this happen. We will talk soon. I want to start fresh. So they have this strong urge to have a new beginnings with you in this relationship, but at the same time they have this fear of getting vulnerable with you, getting open with you in this relationship, because they see you in this Queen of Swords energy as of now. Maybe you both going through some sort of heated up conversations. Okay, and you end up in conflicting, or you are going through some disagreements in life in this relationship. So maybe they they you know uh, they feel that they have to have this honest conversation with you, have to you know clear expectations with you in this relationship. Maybe they are not they think that they cannot live up to your expectations in this relationship, so they have pulled themselves back in the past. Okay, but now they are not happy in this relationship by keeping themselves away from you. Okay, so now they want to come forward to you and have this honest conversation with you about about their expectations and about your expectations in this relationship. Okay, and they want to offer you something tangible in uh, in relationship with this Ace of Pentacles, though this is in reverse, but they have a strong desire of, starting fresh with you in this relationship. But they have this fear of new beginnings with you, because they have lots of feelings of insecurities in this relationship with you. So they want to walk away from this inner conflict with this hostilities in their life. Okay, maybe they feel that there are lots of, they have to convince lots of people around them in order to have relationship with you. Okay, so but they want to move on from this hostilities. Okay, and they want um, to listen to their heart. Okay, and uh, come forward to you. Okay, and this requires lots of patience from their side. Okay, so that's all I have for you all today, friends. Let me know in the comment section below if this reading resonated with you all or not. Okay, I love to hear from you all, and I love to have you all subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like this reading today. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell button in order to keep yourself posted on my upcoming videos. Okay, friends, so I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.